Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of this 29 in one utility pliers, knife, tools, all the stuff that goes in this thing. It's a lot. I'm going to try to go through it as fast as possible. So the first thing to note is this company right here, this company. So it comes in this pouch that also can be attached to like a belt loop, has a snap there. So you have that option there as well. This is like a heavy gauge canvas style material. Also has a little pouch here in the front because it has some adapters right here as far as like additional tools. These are two sides, but you got some options there as far as these types of different tools. I'll share how that works here in a sec. But when you get into this thing, it's got, it's got everything. So it's got a little weight to it, which tells you this is made out of quality. This is definitely a heavy gauge. It does have a belt clip right here. So if you wanted to attach it to the belt clip, you could do that. You have your pliers. You have your snips in the middle here. And then let's just get into the depth of this. So you have a ruler on this side right here. And then on this side would be like a file. This is like a file right here. Also, when these are pulled out, they clip. So this is not going to close that down. You have to push the little thing here and then whoosh, closes in place. So that's on all of these. So you pull this one out. You have a wood saw here. Again, you wouldn't want this to come down. It's not going to come down. Press this. It folds in. Very cool. We're going to flip it around. We're going to come to this side. You also have scissors. You come to this side, and this is a knife here. Look at that, nice, quite sharp actually, surprisingly. Then you have a Phillips screwdriver that folds out, pretty cool. This is where you can switch it. So it comes, the Phillips is already in there. This is where you would switch it out. You could switch it out with all of these right here. This, once it's out, it's out, and then it has a little grip right here. You push it kind of hard and then goes back in place, kind of hides it back where it was. On this side, you can see there are a handful of different options here. You can grab it right here, pull these out. Actually really sharp. And then you have a smaller sharp blade here. We'll focus on this one here. All right. Then you have this one here. It's like a small serrated blade. Then you have one here. This is like a can opener, different size kind of can opener style. You can see, look at the reflection on that. This thing is like, it's pretty nice. Also the grip on this, because it's got a little bit of thickness to it, so you can really get some leverage as far as this. It is spring loaded, which is nice. It's also self-locking, so once it's closed, it's kind of locking here, and you can pop it open. You're good to go. On each side here, it has these little bitty little cutouts for grip. So if you're going for like one-handed convenience, you can just flip it out like that and then lock it in place. Close it. It's sharp, so I'm being careful. You can pull it out one finger, just like that. And look at that, one-handed. One-handed. Boom, and it's locked in. Press it with the thumb, comes down. So if you want to do something one-handed, you definitely have that option, which is nice and convenient. All in all, this thing is a solid multi-tool. From tactical to just overall convenience. Having the cool thing of being access to like a screwdriver or something like that, to where usually you don't see those types of extra pieces, extra features in something like this. That's super, super cool. This thing is rust proof. This is gonna last till the end of time. This is super, super legit as far as the material. Heavy gauge, solid for sure. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little tutorial overview and tell us what you think about our multi-tool? I wouldn't even call it a multi-tool. I would call it like an everything tool, because it's got pretty much everything in here. And the cool part is that because it fits in a pocket or on the outside of the pocket, or you don't need to use the pouch if you don't want to, you can just hook it on, let's just say pants. Pretty cool stuff. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered about this very cool multi-tool, and we'll talk to you soon.